Hello everyone, today it's my day 458 and guess where I am? I am at Gandikota which is one of the beautiful places in आंध्र प्रदेश और ये वीडियो स्पेशली मैं किसी और चीज़ के लिए बना रहा हूँ नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ द स्पेस दिस प्लेस सो मीट माई दिस न्यू फ्रेंड ब्रो योर नेम इज what? Sajim is with me and you wonder how I met him. I came here on my bicycle and he along with these two friends and all are from Kerala. They were sitting here and we just got into the conversation and we were here having very good conversation for a few moments and then these two people came from Hyderabad. See Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh and Kerala together and what together making the noodles. Earlier I was really unknown that bike rider carries tow also despite I am a traveler and now now I am seeing from there such bags what and all things are coming up. So now we are trying to make tea first and afterward we will go after the noodles. भाई क्या क्या लाया आपने आपके बैग में? What and all things you brought? I forgot to let you know. This sir is going to Ladakh, right? And these two also. And could you please introduce yourself, bro?
My name is Musi.
And which bike you are riding?
This bike.
Yeah, this one. Oh. Brother, your name? Sakir, and both are from Malappuram. Yeah, Malappuram. Malappuram is a place where I was celebrating Vishu Sadhya. When I was, it's my new friend, both from Hyderabad.
This is Rishi and this is Aves. We are from Hyderabad.
And they both are pretty cool boys.
Thank you.
So yeah,
We are here on Expulse 200.
Yeah, it's behind. Wait, just a moment. Yeah, experts. So, bro, is that your first trip here?
Yes, bro. So this is our first trip so long. Coming outside Hyderabad. Even at home, I didn't tell them I'm coming so far. I told them I'm just going to a farm nearby.
And they shared very great thing. Like with each and every traveler, it happens that from a year they were planning to come a Gandikota.
Yeah, so finally today is the day.
Finally
And
today
here
is the
in this
day.
Video, it was meant to happen.
Yeah. Whenever I will reach Hyderabad, it will take me almost 5 days afterward. Then I'll certainly ping you.
Sure,
We will enjoy there.
absolutely. You're always invited.
Kerala style tea is about to be prepared. शक्कर पानी में जा रही है. See, like 3 strangers from 3 different states of India preparing the tea together. I have, but it's not on that much of trending. After 1 year, I started uploading the video. 1 year, I was just doing my thing. Yeah. Certainly. As far as I have friends like you along the way, I will certainly make the videos. Bro, why are you sitting like that? You are watching something.
Yeah, bro. I'm just water boy.
Oh, a scientific process, a total scientific process.
It's a process.
So you are having a kind of stove also with you.
No, mine is different actually.
No, it's fine if it is it is totally packed. Then no worries. Okay, in the bag. Oh, first time I am seeing such stove.
It's emergency stove, no?
Emergency stove. Okay.
കുറച്ച്
Really? In this way?
simple.
What is the name of this kind of stove?
It's portable towel stove.
Okay.
Portable towel stove without gas. Na.
Without gas. Oh my god.
You
First
can-
time in my life I am seeing such kind of stove. Really?
You can use one of this. It will last around 15 or 20 minutes. You can make one like this.
Really?
Yeah, that's it.
16 to 20 minutes it will be burning.
Yes. It will produce heat.
Oh my god. See, each person I meet teach me something new and I really learned this thing. I came to know about this stove. You can see how our tea is simming. ठंडी हवाओं में गरम चाय और क्या चाहिए भाई जिंदगी में.
Bro, you should show this in your video.
हाँ यार इनके गड्डी कैसी क्या क्या लेके जा रहे हैं और स्पेशली ये तो मुझे विदाउट टैक्स वाला घर दिख रहा है.
Kerala to Ladakh and this is its
केरला टू लद्दाख दिस पीपल.
and this is a good quote. It's
Oh,
not
what's
about
that?
travel.
It's
It's
not-
about freedom.
Oh my god. A kind of inner touch.
Motivation, yeah.
It's not about travel, it's about freedom. Photographer sir. So इस तरह से like you can see the new way of filling the cup. This is what the traveling life is.
I'll show you to film.
Oh, thank you.
See, nice acting.
You are appreciating or
I
making fun.
don't pretend, bro. I keep it real, you know.
Like it's so calm and it's like hyperactive.
How's the tea, bro?
Touch.
No, Ba Gandhi Kota. Ba Gandhi Kota. It's really marvelous because it is made up of the effort of 3 states. 3 states on one stove.
Bro, if you take like that, then I'm from Punjab also, no? Then.
Mystery opened. Mystery revealed.
So yeah, my parents are from Punjab. I'm a Sikh, like you can see.
Yeah, I can see. So you ever go Punjab?
Last I was.
You have connectivity in Punjab?
Yeah.
I jump gaya. Whenever I will reach Punjab, I will give you the call.
Sure, bro. Hyderabad, anywhere. Yeah, I was born in Karnataka again. That is one of the.
I was
born in
thinking.
Karnataka, bro.
I was thinking 3 states are together, but now I am coming. One person belong to 3 states. Is it like your education got in another state?
No. I was brought up in Hyderabad.
Oh, okay. Yeah, bro, you can stop it. Sorry, bro, it's tea. Do you want tea? No, you will not be able to drink it. Bro, it's not food, yeah. देखो भाई, after becoming traveler, you have to do these all things. But it's love. It's we feel really good by doing the things. We are having a kind of whole kirana store, right, brother?
Yeah, bro. This guy has a whole store. He's carrying.
Yeah. He also and see an entire definition of home.
Home on wheels.
Home on the wheels. Home on the wheels. So Maggie will be our dinner. It is one of the favorite dinner of our travelers.
Yeah, bro. Easy to make, easy.
Easy to make, easy to carry, easy to cook.
ഒന്നുകൂടെ This also lifesaver. This one.
Oh, you are carrying all the waste along with you. That's really a kind of true traveler's instinct.
This one is lifesaver.
Finally, our Maggie is prepared, and unfortunately the plate got broken up due to the heavy weight of stomach of 6 people. Well done, bro. Well done. Well done.
Started eating, bro.
Well done, bro. Well done. Well done. Yeah. How is it?
It's nice, bro.
It's nice, yeah.
Yeah, you know, bro. You
Delicious.
I started eating very soon.
no sooner the Maggie was prepared, he started counting the spoons. It's tasty. It has taste of friendship
And made with love.
made with love. A taste of 3 plus 3 states.
3 plus 4 states.
Sorry, 3 plus 4 states. You are seeing that guy?